guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about how I'm maintaining my eyebrows these days. As we all know that all the parlors and salons are closed because of lockdown. So I am maintaining my brows at home only. I'm gonna show you how you can do it for yourself at home in this video. So if you want to know how I have maintained my brows in this shape, then you have to watch my video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, then do subscribe it so that you can see my upcoming videos. So now I have taken my spoolie brush and I am brushing my hairs downwards like this. I will do this on both the eyebrows, and then I will see how much hair growth is there on the upper side of the eyebrows that has to be removed. A piece of thread and gently pressing it on the upper side of my eyebrows. This will give me a line that I know I do not have to cross while removing my hair. Now I am marking the high points of my eyebrows with the help of an eyebrow pencil. This will help me maintain the shape of my eyebrows, and I will know that these are the edges which I have to maintain and do not disturb while removing the hair. Before starting to tweeze my hair, I am using a cube of ice and I am putting it in a cloth. Now I will use it on the areas where I have to remove the hair so that this area is numb with the help of ice. This really helps with the people who are sensitive to pain, and while tweezing your hair, you will not feel that much of pain if you do this. Now I'm going to start removing my hair, and for that I am using a basic tweezer from the brand Vega. I'm going to mention its link in the description box below. Now to remove the hair, I have stretched the skin on the upper part of my eyebrows little bit. You don't have to stretch it too much because this can cause wrinkles. I have stretched it only a little bit so that I do not feel the pain that much, and I'm pulling the hair one by one in the direction of its growth. Now I am following the natural shape of my eyebrows and lining them to create an outline so that I can remove the excess hair from the edges. Now I am again using my spoolie brush and pulling all the hair inside the outline downwards so that I do not accidentally pluck them out. As you can see, there are still small hair outside the outline, so now I am plucking them and cleaning the edges. Now I am using a small makeup brush to remove all the hair that I have plucked out. After cleaning the upper edges of my eyebrow, now I am brushing all the hair upwards with the help of my spoolie brush so that I can clearly see all the excess hair on the lower part of my eyebrow, and I can pluck them with my tweezer. Now before starting to tweeze my hair, I am again lining the lower part of my eyebrows and just following the natural shape of my eyebrows so that I do not accidentally pluck the hair inside the outline. Now I am again pulling my skin upwards so that the lower part of the eyebrows is tightened up, and it is easy for me to remove the hair with the help of my tweezer. I am following again the same steps. I am using my tweezer and pulling the hair into the direction of its growth. After plucking all the excess hair, now since there are still small hair left on the lower part of the eyebrow, so I am using my weave trimmer to remove them. You can also use a razor for this purpose so that the whole area is squeaky clean. All the excess hair have been now completely removed. Now I am again brushing my hair upwards with the help of a spoolie and checking if there are any long strand of hair coming out. As you can see, one or two of them are there. I am gonna trim them with the help of a scissor. Taking a clean cloth. This is a cloth from Miniso. It is very soft, so you should take any cloth that is soft and not very rash, and lightly cleaning my eyebrows. After cleaning my eyebrows, now I am using Wow Aloe Vera Gel to massage on the upper and lower parts of my eyebrows so that all the area from where I have plucked hair is relaxed. You can use any cold cream, gel or astringent to clean this area after doing this plucking. Now I'm gonna repeat all these steps on my other eyebrow and come back and show you the final outcome. This is the final outcome that I have achieved. I have only used a little bit of eyebrow pencil to line my eyebrows. So if this video was helpful for you all and you all tried it on yourself, then do not forget to like my video and comment and tell me about it. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe and keep on watching my upcoming videos. Bye bye.